Over several decades, Bollywood has undeniably captivated people with its drama, grand sets, and mesmerizing songs. Despite its charm, it certainly is not without its flaws. One of the most significant issues it faces is gender stereotyping. Let's define these words first. According to WHO, gender refers to characteristics that are socially constructed. Google states that stereotype is a widely held but oversimplified idea of a person or thing. Now that we know what to look for, let's start with some data to gain a better understanding. A study done in 2017 analyzed gender biases in Bollywood from the 1970s onwards. They drew comparisons such as adjectives, verbs, occupations that were most frequently used to associate with males versus females. As you can see, female characters seem to have very subservient, shallow traits while males tend to have far more variety and depth, leaning more towards moral ambiguity. Over the years, movies centered around women have increased, but in this graph showing the screen time percentage, there doesn't seem to be much progress for women.
So we have seen the facts. Now it is time to see the on-screen examples. Let's start strong with
जो मर्द होता है उसे दर्द नहीं होता मेम साहब.
It's pretty common to find these characters who hold strong morals and uphold societal expectations.
जहाँ ये लड़की पली बड़ी है, जहाँ से वो आई है उसका वजूद क्या है? एक बार भी तुमने नहीं सोचा कि क्या वो लड़की हमारे संस्कार, हमारी संस्कृति समझ पाएगी?
Even if it means asking your wife to leave. Or if they have to get physically violent to get justice. Enjoy this 15-second sequence of Amitabh Bachchan in fight scenes. Obviously, women don't feel the need to do the same because
क्योंकि औरत के एक नहीं, 3 जन्म होते हैं. पहला जब वो किसी की बेटी बनकर इस दुनिया में आती है, दूसरा जब वो किसी की पत्नी बनती है, और तीसरा जब वो माँ बनती है.
her kids may be disrespectful but she cares.
बोलते क्यों नहीं आप?
मेरी ममता खींच के ले गई थी मुझे वहाँ.
Her husband may be abusive, but she still continues to be a good mother. If he cheats and she complains, she's the one who's crazy. She's clearly overreacting.
किस मुंह से मेरी तुलना तुमने दूसरी बहुओं से की?
क्या आज तक मैंने कभी तुमसे झूठ बोला है? कभी तुम्हें धोखा दिया है? तुम मेरा यकीन नहीं कर रही हो, तुम मुझ पे शक कर रही हो, ठीक है?
मुझे आपकी बात पर यकीन आ गया. हे भगवान, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया?
Not Devdas though. Somehow he's relatable, but the women are not.
जब भी पारो की याद आएगी मैं आऊंगा. जब भी खुद को दोषी पाऊंगा मैं आऊंगा.
Now is the moment you all have been waiting for. The question will appear on the screen. Now. Your classmate, friend just got abused by her batchmates. How do you support her in this situation? Option A, report to authorities. Option B, keep her away from the perpetrator. Option C, ask her to forgive her abusers with a joke because they said.
हमें माफ कर दो. Please forgive us.
D, help her get legal action. And the answer is. You are right. Option C. At least that's exactly what happened in this scene here.
माफ कर दे. गलती किसी से भी हो सकती है.
तो मैं प्लीज इन लोगों को माफ कर दो.
चाहे तुम टॉस करवा लो या डेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से वोटिंग करवा लो, पर रिजल्ट सिर्फ एक ही होगा कि तुम्हें इन दोनों को माफ कर देना चाहिए. दिव्या,
मेरे पास एक सलूशन है. मैं एक जोक सुनाता हूँ और अगर दिव्या ने मुस्कुरा दिया तो समझो तुमको माफी हो गई.
Unfortunately, such instances of blatant abuse is extremely normal and frequent in Bollywood.
Why should we be so bothered by the on-screen depiction of roles?
The audience in India is not mature, and the fan and celebrity worshipping makes them impressionable to whatever is shown to them. A good population is uneducated, and for them, movies are not only an escape from their sore reality, but it also provides a guideline to what is appropriate and acceptable and what is not. And as we've seen the stereotypes Bollywood has presented to us, we can see how much of it isn't realistic or achievable. It strips people away from what makes them human. The current scene in Bollywood has certainly made progress, but many efforts need to be put forth to ensure that these discussions continue, so that we get closer to expressing art through movies at its finest. Thank you for watching.